Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account. Now, to delete your Microsoft Teams account, just go ahead and open up any of your browser. Then from your browser, just go to Google and search for Microsoft account. And after you do this, you'll find account.microsoft.com. Just go to this link. And after you do so, just give it some time to load. Then just click on sign in and sign in with your Outlook account. Just give it some time. Just sign in with your account and it should take you to this page. And after you're on this page, what you have to do is from the left-hand menu, just go inside your info. And after you do that, it's going to load the page again. And if you scroll down a bit, you're going to find close account option. Just go ahead and click on close account. And after you do that, it's going to bring you to a forum. And this forum basically tells you how to close your account. From here, you just need to click on close account. And it's going to open up another pair of page. So just give it some time. It's going to tell you that your account is being deleted. And it's going to give you a grace period of 30 days or 60 days, whatever you choose. In that meantime, if you do decide to come back, you can stop your account being deleted. But if you don't come back before this day, your account will be deleted permanently. So if that's okay with you, just click on next. And then you gotta check all of this. So read through all of this. These are very important. It tells you that you'll lose access to Skype, Office 365, Xbox, OneDrive, basically every Microsoft Office service. So you can just select everything. If you're okay with losing Microsoft Office services, then they'll ask you why you're closing this account. Just give them a reason. It doesn't really matter. You can select anything from here. And after that, you just need to click on Mark Account for Closure, and your account will be marked for closure. And after the days of grace, your account will be permanently deleted. So deleting a Microsoft Teams account will also delete your Microsoft account and other services as well. So be very careful. But basically, that is how to delete your Microsoft account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.